welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to watch G22 perform Filipina Queen live on the Wish 1745. Let's check it out. Wow, they're standing. This one's a bit different because it's actually my first time seeing G22 perform standing up here on the Wish Pass. Ang luwag ng loob ng Wish Pass pala. AJ. Wow! Yung buhok niya, ang ganda. Ikaw yung boses mo, napakalakas ng... Wow! Wow! Filipina. Ang ganda pala ng mata ni Felfea. Ay, contact lens. Oh, Jazz. Astig. Galing mag-rap ni Jazz. Kaya also should offer super low voice and it really suits her. Her tone is so unique. Good vibes yun sa kanta nila. Napapasabay ka. There's a big crowd outside. I wonder where this is. Where do you think the bus is parked? Ang lalim nung nila. Di nagpapakutsa. Ano yung meaning ng papakutsa? Ate? AJ raps in Tagalog so smooth the shit totally nailed it. And you can really see the intensity of the lyrics just by look at her face and even through her hand movements. Look at that. Yeah. You can really feel the emotion. Her face really first skin. I just noticed how the colors she's wearing look so good on her. It really brings out her complexion and make her stand out. Wow. Ichibu's here is insane. His rap is even lower. And si Alfea din. Sila yung dalawa na mababa pa ang boss. And si Jazz. Right? Now this part toward the end, this is where they started singing together. And wow, sounded so good when they did. It's the only time they added harmony. It was beautiful. I really liked it. The song is fire. Yes. Okay now. Give your thoughts. Yung girl group na to, hindi ka mapapahiya. Kapag inilabas mo sila sa ibang country, sobrang ganda ng vocals nila. And yung rap part din ni Alfea saka ni AJ, sobrang astig yun. Rapper talaga sila. Hindi, alam mo yung pag nagra-rap, hindi basta-basta, ang rap kasi mahirap yun. Hindi ka basta-basta dapat nagra-rap. Kailangan may flow ka. Maganda yung flow nilang dalawa. Saka, ang taas ng boses ni Jazz. Sobrang taas. Nakaka-goosebumps yung boses nilang tatlo. Superb. My rate is 1 to 10, 10. Perfect. Yes, and alam mo, this performance was something else. Like, first time ko sila makita na standing up inside the Wish Pass, super unique. And yung outfits nila, ang ganda. Alfea in yellow, Jazz in red, and AJ in blue. Super bagay sa kanila. AJ came in with such a strong presence, tapos yung boss niya, si Drop is so low, like wow, ang powerful ng tone niya. And si Jazz on the other hand, feels that rap part, sobrang bilis and clear, hindi nabubulat. And Alfea, her voice is so unique. Like, I can't even compare it to anyone else. It's really just hers. You could also feel the emotion through the facial expression and hand gestures. Ayan, nabubulol ako. Ako nabubulol. Lalo na yung kay AJ, no, sa part niya. And yung harmony sa dulo, ang linis. Ang ganda ng blend ng boses nila. So for me, I'd rate this a solid 10 out of 10. Super enjoy, super impressed.